Autoclenz is a major UK valeting business. It has various different divisions, and now we've got our alloy wheel refurbishment.
The Autoclenz alloy wheel centre in Crewe was set up to provide a service to both trade and public customers to facilitate the refurbishment of either diamond cut wheels or painted alloy wheels in even colour changes.
The service here is designed around preparing, changing the colours, cutting wheels so you get rid of any blemishes on those wheels so they have a better level of appeal to the customer looking at your used car. It means it's a one-stop shop for a customer.
The site was set up because really of the demand for repair of diamond cut wheels.
There's nobody else in this area who's delivering this service what we're doing. That's why we're here, to offer that service to the public and not just be specific to trade.
Often dealerships are asked by their customers whether they can repair the alloy wheels of their vehicles.
Most dealers don't have that facility available to them. In most cases they take the wheels away for 4 or 5 days at a time.
We can run a little collection delivery service that can transport the wheels from their dealership straight into the centre.
Often the dealership has lent the customer a hired car, which has cost the dealership some money. Here we can offer a service that we can turn those wheels around within a day.
So on arrival of the customer to the unit, we will go out and physically look at the vehicle itself to assess how many wheels are on the vehicle that actually need refurbishing.
And we perform a buckle test on each wheel to make sure that it's fit for repairing on the lathe, and then it goes through the Aquablast system, which cleans any contaminants off the wheel.
Once the wheel's actually been placed onto the lathe, there is a laser probe which actually scans and maps the contours of the wheel to assess the depth of the damage and the amount of material that needs to be removed. Well, once the wheel comes off to the lathe itself, it then gets placed into the spray booth. It then gets wet painted and baked at 70 degrees to ensure that the material is cured and hardened. The finishes can be achieved are original manufacturer colours, or we can recolour any wheel to any specific colour requested by the customer, because it's slightly different from the general powder coating process which you see at refurb centres around the UK currently. We're actually using a wet paint process, so we've got a quicker turnaround from the trade vehicles. The general consensus from customers when they collect the vehicles is they can't quite believe how much it looks like new.
We're here to help facilitate that by refurbing the wheels, and we're already getting lots of inquiries from lease customers.
If you've got a car and it's coming to the end of its lease, or you're about to sell that vehicle, if you suddenly turn up to the dealership and you've got 4 badly scuffed wheels, you're going to be penalised on price.
We can provide a money-saving exercise for the customer effectively. If they drop it off to us, we can return the wheel back to its original condition for a fraction of the cost.
Wheels have now become the side parking sensors, and they make it very difficult to sell a car that you probably want 20, 30, 40,000 pounds for that's got Gray's wheels.
The main benefit for a dealer is that if he's got a car on his forecourt and it's got a couple of scuffed wheels, whatever sticker price he's asking for the car, he'll be chipped down on it. If he's got a car sitting there where the wheels are looking perfect and the condition of the car is very good, he's more likely to get quite close to the price that he wants for it.
People always say if wheels and windows are clean, it makes the look of the car. So wheels being key, this is why we're here. We're to enhance the appearance of the wheels for the customer.
They can book this service by fundamentally picking the phone up, going on the internet and going through our website, which will give you the day in which we can do it, the time in which we can do it.
They can send us pictures via the email of the wheels so we can see them before even commencing the work, or they can pop in as well.